Hi, hello everyone. So welcome back to Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So it's quite long time ago. It's already around 3 months gap that I haven't make any tutorial because of my busy schedule. So apologize for that. And today we're going to look about YouTube. Previously, I already have make a tutorial, the first tutorial regarding NVDA, and I will continue it. Do not worry. I will continue the tutorial. Then you will ask why uh, I make YouTube tutorial now. So the reason is one of our subscriber about has request for YouTube tutorial, so that's why. So our before we start, let me give a little bit information or little bit announcement or explanation about our channel flow. Okay, so I will make tutorials continuously if I haven't received any request from someone. Let's say for example, now I'm previously I have make NVDA tutorial, the first tutorial regarding NVDA around 3 months ago. Yeah, I know that it's quite long gap, and I will so after that the next upload should be another the second part of NVDA tutorial, right? But now the next tutorial will be about our YouTube uh, tutorials. Why? Because we have request from one of the subscribers. Okay, so if I haven't received any request from anyone, so I will continue to make the tutorials which I have which I was make or I will continue with my current tutorials or current topics which I have uh, make. So if I receive the any request from someone, I will skip the my current topics of the tutorials, and I will try to fulfill their request first while making the tutorial which they have request. After that I will continue with my current topics or current tutorials. So I hope you this is how our channel flow will going on, and I hope you will get my explanation. So in today's tutorial we're going to look about how to upload our videos on YouTube. So sorry for the long duration of intro, so let's go. Alright, as I told before, we'll look about how to upload your video on YouTube. So before that, I have one more important matter that I would like to tell you, but I will tell about that in before the end of our video. Okay, so basically for upload your video to the YouTube, it's have a three method. I will show you uh, the first method in this tutorial, and another two methods I will show you in upcoming tutorials, because if I show you in this tutorial, I afraid that it will take a long duration, so it will be a trouble. So to understand deeply about the method to upload YouTube, to upload a video on YouTube, you should watch this video from start to the end. Okay, so let's go with the first method on how to upload your video to YouTube. Okay, let's start it.
Page 2 of 3.
So the first method will be upload your video from your internal storage. So how can I do that? So for that, let's go to your internal storage, any internal storage client that you have, like your file manager plus, files by Google, my files, or and etc.
File manager.
So I have file manager uh, as my default internal storage client. After that, go to your video folder. Okay, which all your videos will saved there, right? So go to that and choose choose the video that you would like to upload in on your YouTube.
Photos 8. Videos. File manager.
Okay.
Intro music. Checked.
Okay, I want to upload this.
One selected.
And
checkbox set.
okay, this one will be depend on the your internal storage client. In my case, it's a send button, but some internal storage client will have share button. So just click on it.
Android system.
After that, it will show Android system, and let's ignore that. After you click on send button or share or whatever that you have in your internal storage client, all your social media will be appear. So let's look for YouTube.
Subscribe, share, turn YouTube, result YouTube.
Here we go, and click on it.
Add details.
And it will ask you to add details.
Add details.
Let's swipe and let's look it out one by one.
Next button.
First of all, we will have a next button to go to the next level.
Edit thumbnail.
Edit Tamil. You can edit your Tamil here.
Blind tech explore blind underscore tech.
This is my channel name.
Title 0/100.
Okay, you can add your title here.
Create a title. Type at the mention the channel. Showing English. Title 0/100.
I will type for
Disable browse by touch.
sample.
Five. E deleted. E deleted. Fine. Space deleted. S deleted. Space deleted. Enable browse by touch.
So you can hear what I'm typing, because I have facing some problem with my screen reader now.
Title 9/subscribe text box editing.
Okay, I have typed this. This is my title, sample title.
Done.
Then
US QWERTY keyboard hidden.
Alright, then we will go to the next.
Add the playlist. Add subscribe. Add description.
Okay, after the title you can add your description, or you can also leave it and edit later.
Visibility Private.
Visibility, I have set as private. You can set as you can click here and you will find a few options. You can set as public, or you also can schedule your post. I will show you in upcoming tutorials.
Location.
Location, you we will not change anything.
Add to playlist.
Add to playlist. Okay, if you have any playlist, you can add it.
Shorts remixing. Allow video and audio remixing.
This is a new update of YouTube. I haven't explored it. I will explore it and I will update to you in upcoming tutorials.
Comments. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review.
Okay, here you can, here we can, this is the settings which we can restrict or do a settings for the comment. Let me click on here and show you.
Back. Comments. Choose a setting for this video. Allow all comments.
Allow all comments. I recommend you don't choose this, because if we choose this or if we select this, audience can comment anything on your video. They can use some bad words, or they can use some unnecessary words, and anything they can give any comments, any kind of comments. Okay.
Selected. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review.
Okay, these will be selected by default. So with this, only the appropriate comments means, not all comments, audience can't uh, easily give their comments. I mean, uh, it will not accept all kind of comments. Okay.
Learn more button. Increase strictness. Hold all comments for review. Disable comments.
Okay, you also can disable
Hold all comments for review.
hold all comments. Well,
Increase strictness. Hold all comments for review.
you can hold their comments too.
Disable comment. Hold. Increase strictness.
I wasn't sure about this. And
Hold.
after you select anything, after you choose it, actually we no need to set anything here, but if you want to do, you can do so.
Back button.
Okay, after that,
Add description. Add to playlists. Shorts remixing. Comments. Hold potential.
alright,
Navigate. Add details.
after we done this, you no need to complete all this. You can leave all this as the blank and you can edit later, except for the title,
Next button.
and click on next button. Alright, after that,
Back button. Select audience.
select audience.
Is this video made for kids? Regardless of your location, you're legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and/or other laws. You're required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids. What's content made for kids?
Okay, you should inform to YouTube either this content that you would like to post in your YouTube channel is made for kids or not, because if you want to upload your video for kids, it's have some terms and condition according to the law, so you can learn more about that.
What's content made for kids? Button.
Okay, you can learn from here. So
Yes, it's made for kids.
if yes, you can click on yes. If no,
Learn more button. No, it's not made for kids.
so my content is not made for kids, so I will click on no.
No, it's not made for kids.
And next,
Age restriction. Advanced.
okay, you can restrict the age of your video, which means you want what type, which category of ages can watch your video. So after that,
Upload video.
just click on upload and it will start to uploading.
See with your YouTube. Uploading to your videos. Action menu button. Navigate up button. Progress bar 56 position.
You can see the progress here. And it's uploading.
See video button.
Alright, it's done. So you can click on see video button. It's also a new update, and you can see your video, and your video is already uploaded successfully.
Back button. Use file manager. Page 2 of 3. Page 3. Page 2 of 3. Video sister. Video. Back. Video. Are you sure to quit the app? Cancel. Quit. Visual white. As 2 notif. Page 3. Page 2 of 4. System launcher. Meta voicer. Mockup. Hi Q. Hi Q.
So that's all for today. So in next tutorial, I will show you how you can upload your video uh, on from YouTube app itself. So as I promised you, or as I told you at the beginning, I would like to inform you. I would like to tell you something about the uh, skipped tutorial. So as I told on the introduction, uh, I will skip some my current topics if I receive any request from any subscribers, right? But do not worry, you can watch all the skipped, or if you face any difficulty to watch the video from our YouTube channel, you also can watch through the playlist. So at the playlist, I will arrange all the video according to the topics and according to their dates, so you can view it. So thanks for watching. See you in upcoming tutorials.